In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unpublish your Facebook page. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then tap right here to go to menu. First of all, we need to switch from our main Facebook profile to a page. To do that, tap right here and then select a page you would like to unpublish from that list. That will switch you to your Facebook page. Once it is done, tap right here to go to menu. Then tap Add Gear to open up settings. And then tap Add Page Settings. After that, scroll all the way down until at Facebook Page Information section you will find Access and Control. Then tap Add Deactivation and Deletion. You will be taken to this page where you need to just deactivate your page. This is a temporary process to unpublish or hide your page from Facebook. Deactivate page is selected by default, so in here we need just to tap Add Continue. After that, you will be asked to enter your Facebook password. Once you've done that, tap Add Continue. Then select any option from that list, like this is temporary, I'll be back, and hit Add Continue. Scroll down to the very bottom, and in here we can configure for how long we would like to keep our page unpublished or deactivated. It is set to 7 days. We can tap right here and switch it from 1 to 7 days. However, if we don't want to reactivate our page automatically, we can select Don't Reactivate Automatically. After that, hit Add Continue, continue again, and then deactivate page. That's how you can easily unpublish or hide your Facebook page.